Dolly that.
Take two.
Hey, you can.
We had to delete the last video.
I'm sorry. I love you.
I don't need you.
I love you more.
Oh, no, you're bad.
That's all your fault, Sarah. You made me fall.
Alright. Ow. He's a woman beater.
I am not. This thing is. It's a giant booger.
If I get hit on camera, I might cry.
Ah, shoot.
Ew, Michael, ew.
You can have a booger. It's dripping. It's dripping.
Ew.
Let's eat it.
Oh.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like chicken?
Boogers taste like chicken. Ow, ow, ow. Who knew boogers could be so dangerous? Get off me.
Who knew? Boogers could be dangerous.
Who knew? Delicious and nutritious. Who
Oh,
knew?
yes. Boogers are delicious and nutritious.
They are neither one of those, Sarah.
Please smile unnaturally at this video for the next 5 seconds.
I like trees.
Oh no. His leg is twitching and everything.
Don't tell everybody.
Oh no.
Just because I'm diced up in little bitty bits, that doesn't mean I can't do nothing about it. I can take my little bitty
I'm gonna make
bits.
sexy faces into the camera. Be like, Michael, come do it with me. Come make supermodel faces into the camera.
I can't. I've been hit by a train. I have been hit by a train.
You've been hit by a train?
Yes, 5 times.
I ain't a paramedic.
Yes, you do.
I'm not a I don't know how to fix you.
Yes, you do. Call the ambulance.
Okay. The phone. 911. There you see it. Hello? Is this okay? My cousin Michael, he's been hit by a train. We don't know how bad it is, but his armpit is in his butt.
You don't have to tell him.
Is that not good? I'm pretty sure his left ear is touching his right big toe. Okay. Okay, I'll tell him. They said they're busy today.
Why did that?
They said they're at the 4th of July barbecue.
Today's not even the 4th of July.
They said it came 2 days early.
Nah, just 1 day early, actually.
Good point. 1 day early. They said it came... Ew! Never mind, they're not saving you. You just farted. Yee. Hello.
I thought I was diced up. I am. I guess my butt still works.
Your butt still works.
No, I just
All right.
cleaned out my armpit.
Alright, thanks for watching my channel and my cousin. Come here. Do it outro.
Can't. I'm based up.
Okay. Let me just put the camera towards you.
Wiggly, bubbly.
Alright, Michael, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for what?
Thanks for watching. It means a lot to us. Yay!
Call paramedics.